Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So today's video is going to be me doing this look. If you guys like it, make sure you guys keep on watching. I am doing the Zury Ultra Star hair, and it's the tangle free hair. I'm literally excited about it because, girl, do you guys like the streaks in this hair? I love the streaks in this hair. I actually layered it and everything, so it's really popping out as a pretty wild look. Not as wild like, you know, like, ooh, this too big, but it's actually popping out. So I am going to be going in and using my thick bundles. I am so excited because I have somewhere to go tonight and I just want to be cute. I want to be really laid back, and I'm just looking for a I want my hair to be kind of like a water wave or something. I'm gonna really make this look like a wet and wavy hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and work my way around. I left some hair out in the front because I wanted it to be like baby hairs, and I'm just wanted to make it look really natural. And as you can see, it's some really good highlights in here. America's Next Top Model was my favorite, literally my favorite show that I will look at, and she will always say, if you want to be in the video, if you want to be in this video, you have to make your hair pop just like your skin. And I used to be like, why is she cutting their hair off? I really want to see if I can like wet this hair just to make it look like wet and wavy, because I'm really in love with this hair. I think that if you wear like light colors on your hair, it'll bring out your skin complexion, and it'll just bring out, you know, your tone on your skin. I really want my skin to glow, so as I put in colors like this in my head, I really like stuff like this because it makes my skin pop. So excited, and I'm ready to just show the world this hair. Like, girl, and it's 12 inches. So, and you guys know I do not like long hair in my head, so I love it. I really want to use my razors just to layer it, and I think I'm gonna do that. I really want it to fit in with the curls, you know what I'm saying? I really want it to fit in with the curls. I don't want it to be like blah. I want it to be like boom, 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 like that. And that's just what I'm going for. So this hair does not look like it's synthetic at all. It really blends in with human hair. I love this hair. This hair was really on sale, and it was like in a big box where you can like pick out hair and stuff in there. And I'm like, oh, let me try this out, because I love the streaks in this hair, and that's just what that was. And it turned out pretty well. I love it. It looks better layered and, you know, like this. Do you guys think so? Comment down below if you think it looks better layered like this than like just me cutting it and everything. I'm actually excited about it. I love it. Now this right here in the summertime, woo! Girl, it's pretty. It's giving Janet Jackson, it's giving Beyonce, it is giving Tyra Banks.